Hello, my YouTube friends. In my previous videos, I showed you 3 types of handmade sweet gifts for the holiday season. I showed you how to do these gigantic candies, and I will leave a link above for this video. I showed you how to do this type of sledge full of sweet treats, and I will leave a link above for this video. In another video, I showed you how to do these beautiful trees full of candies and decorations, and they come in different sizes and different colors. Today I will show you a few more types of gifts that I am preparing for my family members and friends. Let's start. This gift is very simple to do, and it will be good for a man in your family. Those flowers are full of candies as well, and some decorations, and a bottle of their favorite drink or tea or anything if they don't like wine or any other alcohol. This gift can be identified as a bouquet or a glass of wine, but it filled with candies and evergreens and decorations. So I believe it's a very nice, unique present for your loved ones. You can also decorate a bottle of wine or sparkling wine or champagne with this simple but elegant decoration. And of course you can use any colors. I used crepe paper and some decorations, and I kind of hang this decoration on the neck of a bottle. Bottle is done in blue colors, also very beautiful. Let's look at this cake. I did this as a cake, but actually it's a piece of foam, and I decorated it with crepe paper, other decorative paper, chocolate, coins, and this bottle. One of my favorite handmade gifts are this clock, and they shows time 5 minutes to the midnight. The new year is coming, and it's all done with candies and some template of the clock and decorations, but the base for this decoration is a disc of foam. And this is the clock in blue colors, and it's hard to say which one is better. I believe they're both stunning. But the favorite gift that I made for this year are these houses, and they are done with the box of Raffaello candies, and then I used the cardboard and wrapped it with a crepe paper, put some decorations from a dollar store, and then I, with some special ribbons, and Michael's sell these ribbons. They're fluffy and white, but what is special is that you can open. There is a bow on the back. You can either open with this bow on the back, the roof, or you can get the candies through this chimney. You can pull this so-called smoke, this silver thing, and you can pull all the candies because I attached the candies with the stapler to a ribbon. So all candies, whatever amount I have there, the whole box will be getting out from this chimney. And this is another version of the same gift. The decoration is different, but in both I use deer and some trees and some snowballs. But the idea is the same. The roof with the chimney, and you are pulling the candies from the chimney. I will appreciate if in your comments you will write me which type of present you like the most. Whether you are inspired to do anything like this. Also, let me know in your comments from what country you are watching my videos. So, happy upcoming New Year and Christmas and Hanukkah.